Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Assalamu alaikum and greetings, AliShanMao here. In this video we are going to take a look at X252 Shuttle. Hey XK, what is wrong with your box this time? With this kind of double printing, it looks like a clone or a copy or a fake XK quadcopter. Is someone copying you now? I don't know. Take care of that. That's your business. That's your country. So I'm not gonna go there. I'm gonna assume this is the original X252 Shuttle 7-channel 3D 6G brushless motors quadcopters. Now they say this is an FPV racing quadcopter because they have a camera, LED, everything on board, and they have given you an LCD that you will put on top of your radio and start flying FPV first person view right away. Now how fast it is it really good enough for FPV racing quadcopter having such a ready to fly right outside the box or not? We're gonna see it very soon. But first let's take it outside the box and see what's inside, and after that we'll take it to the field and see how it handles the winds here in Dubai. These days it's really windy, so we're gonna have some fun. Okay, right outside the box, these are the components that you will receive inside the box. You have a quadcopter, an XK radio, that's Futaba protocol, so you can use it with your Futaba radio as well. But I would suggest just go with the radio which came with it, because it's all set with this one. Then we have the LCD screen, antenna, charger for LCD. We have a little card reader, yes, I will tell you why. We have a spare propellers, we have a battery charger, we have a smart type of battery, and an add-on for you to actually charge the battery using this charger because it will convert this thing into a charging port or balance port. We have an X252 Shuttle user manual. So here it is, the XK252 Shuttle quadcopter. There are LEDs right in front, and as soon as you push the batteries inside, they simply turn the quadcopter on. So there is no on-off switch for this quadcopter. Just put the battery in and it will turn on. So let me pull the battery out to turn it off. Now it's, now again, toyish kind of futuristic quadcopter they tried to make, but I'm happy at least they have a nice neat design with upward angled arms and brushless motors. Very happy that they did not use the geared motors. Alright, now apart from the camera and everything and LEDs that were on the front, here is the bottom part of the quadcopter. On the bottom now you can see exactly why they provided you a TF card reader, because we have a TF card down there. This is a 4GB TF card in the slot. That means you can record the video of your flying right away using this TF card and provided system for the recording. So that means you don't have to mount other cameras or use DVR. Quadcopter will record your flight video right away. So we're gonna see how good that video gonna turn out, if it will have a jello, if it will clean, if it will be clean, or if it is HD or not. We will figure that out very soon. Now taking a look at the radio after putting the LCD on, this is how the radio looks like. Okay, nice, big, neat and clean. Now when you turn the LCD on, you can see flight time probably, you can see your channel number, frequency, and the battery levels of your LCD, because it has its own battery and you have to charge it definitely using a tiny charger which is sitting somewhere right here. Yeah, it's a USB charger, and it took a couple of hours to charge this LCD properly to 4.2 volt. Now your radio will take standard 6x AA size batteries and power itself on, while your quadcopter has its own battery that you have seen. Now this is it for the indoor unboxing review of XK252. Let's prepare it, head out and see how it handles wind, how much fun it could be to fly it, and if it is actually capable of doing some kind of racing or not. Enjoy the sand. gets up. Nice. Trying to struggle. Very quiet. I mean, I'm used to those screaming quadcopters. Let me start the video as well. Alright, video recording now. So this is not that another screaming quadcopter. Let's fly it around in this mode. I believe this is a 6G mode. Ooh, nice punch, man. And we have some nice speed as well. Check it out. Nice. And I cannot do any flips at the moment because we are in 6G mode, I believe. All right, let's check out the punch, shall we? More than enough, at least better than JJ Pro. All right, flying so far so nice, very responsive. Look at the response on yaw and everything. Beautiful. Sweet. Now let me see, how do I switch to stop the video so we have at least one segment recorded, and land here, not there. Where is less sand? Everywhere is sand. All right, I cleaned up this with the propeller's air wash. All right, right there. Now F mode is right here. This one is F mode, this one is gear, this is dual rate. Okay, so I'll put the gear down and see what happens. Okay, now looks like we are in aerobatic modes. Okay, so start recording the video and see if we can do a flip. So I'll go a little higher altitude. Oh, there's not enough punch, so we have to go more high altitude. Okay, we killed the quadcopter trying to flip. Video is still recording. Awesome. All right, stop video. No, quadcopters is still alive. Ooh, it's just the motors add sand. Let me clean them up. Oh, looks like this quad likes sand actually. So here we are once again. That was the acro mode. Flight mode down. Let's fly again, shall we? Not responding. Not responding. Okay, all right. So I'll take the battery out. Batteries are stuck now. Oh, in my eyes. All right, no problem. Slide the battery in, wait for the video. Okay, video's on, recording, and we are in business. Here we go. You saw that thud. You heard that thud. You saw that drop. It was a killer move, trying to do aerobatic and killing the quad right in the sand. If it would have been a concrete, this quad would have gone. Sand saved it. Flight mode changed, so we have a bit more speed probably. Let me say, no, flight mode switch is not doing anything actually. It's the same. It's just that the gear mode changes it to the FPV, I mean the aerobatic mode. Much more angle and manual controls. Remember, you don't have much power in there. So it's better to switch to leveled mode. So in leveled or you know, stabilized mode, this is amazingly nice quadcopter. A little sluggish on controls, like you can see I'm pulling full on the sticks in order to make banking turns. So yes, it's very stable in that sense for the beginners to actually fly and learn to fly. Now another thing would be to actually look at the video. So let me stand in the shadow of my car and I will be looking at the video and trying to fly. Okay, so here we go. I will just try to clear one gate only, not much. there's a gate. Ah! This time we really killed something. Okay, reset worked, video is working, everything is working. Now this is this is amazingly durable quadcopter. It's taking so much beating, yet it's still flying and it's still working. XK, thank you very much. It's such a wonderful quadcopter you made here, and very durable. This is what beginners need, actually. This is what they need indeed. Something that will take beating, something that will eat sand, something that will hit straight on at the tough gates, will still keep on flying, and will still keep on transmitting video, and will still keep on recording the video. Now that is what something, man. There's plenty of speed, actually. Okay, for one last crash, I'm switching back to that crazy mode. Check it out. Responses, man. Wow, that is some beautiful response on this. Now I'm full throttle, so battery is definitely dying. All right, so we'll switch back to stabilize mode and land, shall we? Man, this is such a pleasure to fly. I just want to keep flying. At least let me clear one gate using the FPV. Not FPV, maybe line of sight, I don't know. There, slowly. Yeah, I cleared one gate at least. Hey, with the FPV. Now that is one achievement right here, that using the FPV little LCD here, I cleared at least one gate. Actually, I'm trying to see what is the flight time. There's plenty of flight time on one single battery. Though I know we are teasing and killing the battery, but that's plenty of flight time, man. Awesome. So let's not tease the quadcopter anymore. Let's land. Awesome. Okay, here's the conclusion for X252 Shuttle quadcopter with live video FPV system. First thing, this is tough, indestructible. I did some really bad things to this quadcopter today, like make it fall at high speed to the ground and hit straight onto the pole of a gate right there, and it still kept flying. I crashed it a couple of times today. It still kept flying. It kept eating sand. It seems the motors are very friendly with sand on this XK252 because they keep spinning no matter how much sand they eat. Now I don't know how much sand inside there, but anyway, this is flying, this is alive, live video is alive, recording keeps working. So basically this is superb, this is impressive. I was actually impressed how it's taking all the crashes and it's still flying. So when it comes to flight performance, yes, 6-axis mode, it's perfect for beginners because it's very stable. It's actually stabilized. It does not actually give you too much angles on pitching and rolling. So this is perfect for beginners to learn to fly because it's docile, it's stable, it's stabilized, and beginners can actually have good practice flying it. Now when it comes to more, now as your skills improve, you can switch to 3D mode. That's where you can do some aerobatics, but please try them way high because it does not have that enough punch to actually get up again, and it does not have that much high flip rate. Basically, all in all, I will say it's a good product and it's a good quadcopter for beginners to taste FPV or flying with live video. Same time, it records video, and of course, it's really tough. What else do you need? Enjoy. It's time for me to go say prayers and probably enjoy my little jet. Thank you for watching the video, and thank you very much for your continued support towards my work on YouTube. Please subscribe to my channel and stay updated for all the regular video uploads. If you like this video, please hit the like button and share the link over your social sites.